Hey everybody, Ron from Campfire Grub, and we are out here in the Ocala National Forest, and it looks like Kevin's already doing a water crossing. So Kevin's made it. Now let's take the big truck with the trailer through there. So the weather out here is absolutely perfect today. It's quite wet out here, even though it hasn't gotten any rain for a while, but it's still pretty wet. First time going down here. Kevin's in front of us, David's behind us, so we'll see if any catastrophes occur. So we just arrived back here at camp. We've got Kevin over here, he's being Kevin. We've got Sarah over there sitting by the fire trying to stay safe from mosquitoes. We've got David over here, and over here is my old vintage stove that we just got working. Looks pretty safe. Filled it up with some white gas, and it's burning pretty nice. Time to start up with dinner here. So we've got the old vintage Coleman stove firing up. David, what you making over here? Phillies. So we got the Phillies starting up over here. Everything's getting nice and cooked up here on this skillet.
I forgot about the fried onion, so I guess we got that one that we need to get started on.
Cheesesteaks are coming along nicely. Just look at that ooey gooey goodness right there, that meat cooking right there in there with those vegetables. Vintage stove is working out pretty good. We got the cast iron pan, we've got the french fries going, and it's got that nice, even, consistent, controllable flame on there, which is really nice compared to a lot of other gas stoves. So David is dishing up the cheesesteaks right now. The jacket looks so reflective with the light from the camera. You're definitely standing out there.
Trying different things.
Oh no, it fell over.
I don't want to drop this, but I always like to have the option just in case.
Perfect. You didn't even drop them.
Even at that, I still have a ton of footage.
Changing things up a bit for the seasoning on the fries, thanks to David. We've got some of this fire Seminole Swamp seasoning. Dinner was a success, thanks to David. The cheesesteaks were absolutely amazing. Now everybody's whipping up some... What is it? It's like a street corn
dip.
Street corn dip. So we got the cilantro getting chopped up over here. We've got the street corn dip getting mixed up there, all in the Dutch oven. And then we're gonna go ahead and set it over here on the fire. The street corn cheese dip is pulled off the fire out of the Dutch oven. And you can just see all those little corn pieces all in there. Cheese all melted in, right on the Dutch oven. Looks pretty good. With some chips over here. And that's it on the plate. So give it a try. Look at all this ooey gooey cheese right there on the chip. Just look at it, how the cheese, the corn, it just ooey goos right on the chip. Smoked street corn dip on the chip. Sarah cut up the potatoes. We got the white gas stove going on over here. We've got David cooking up some pancakes on the griddle over here on the regular stove. So our first catastrophe just occurred on this very uneventful trip. It is fall time, and this leaf landed in the cooking pot. So this is our biggest catastrophe of the day. So yeah.